What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a workflow that automates the entire bookkeeping process using Claude. So let's get started. To automate the entire bookkeeping process using Claude, we're going to start by creating a skill that will be responsible for automating the process. To create the skill, I'm going to click on Customize right here and click on Skills. I'm going to click on the plus icon right here, and here I'm going to click on Create with Claude to create a skill. Here, hit Enter. To describe the skill that we would like Claude to create for us. So here you can tell Claude, create a bookkeeping automation and financial summary skill that acts as an expert, bookkeeper, financial analyst, and small business finance assistant. The skill should analyze bank statements, transaction exports, CSV files, and financial records to automatically categorize income and expenses, identify spending patterns, and generate clear financial summaries. The skill should classify transactions into appropriate categories, detect unusual and potential incorrect transactions, identify recurring expenses, and highlight notable changes in spending behavior. It should also generate a monthly profit and loss summary, provide insights into business spending, and prepare information commonly needed for tax preparation and financial review. The output should be accurate, structured, and easy for business owners to understand without requiring accounting expertise. So the skill should produce categorized income and expenses, monthly profit and loss summary, unusual transaction alerts, spending insights and trends, tax preparation checklist, and key financial observation and recommendations. The final output should be a structured bookkeeping and financial review report. So now to create the skill, I'm going to hit Enter right here. Give it a few seconds for it to create our skill for us. So here you can see it successfully created our skill for us right here. This is incredible. And here are the 9 section report structure. So includes executive summary, income summary, expense summary, monthly profit and loss table, carrying expenses, unusual transaction alerts, spending insights and trends, tax preparation checklist, and key observation and recommendations right here. And it handles CSV uploads, payset tables, PDF statements, business transaction, multi-currency, complete data, and expense-only exports. Now to save our skill, I'm going to click on Save Skill right here to save our skill. On the right, you can see the description of our skill right here. Just go over the skill line by line to ensure that it works exactly how you like it to work. Right here. Make any changes to the skill, I'll click on Manage right here. And then to edit the skill, I'll click on the 3 dots right here. We can choose to either edit the skill manually right here. Then after editing it, save it. Or you can choose to edit the skill using Claude. You can choose to edit it to tell Claude to include some information to the skill or exclude some information from the skill. But since our skill works perfectly, we can proceed and start automating some bookkeeping processes. So to do that, we're going to use our skill right here. So I'll search for the bookkeeping automation skill. Then we're going to tell Claude, use this skill to categorize all transactions in the spreadsheet and simultaneously identify any recurring income or expenses as a first step before deeper financial analysis. So now in our spreadsheet, I've created a spreadsheet that I've renamed to Organized Transaction Spreadsheet. Here's where we're adding a couple of our transactions. So here we're adding the date, the description of the transaction, and the amount right here. For Claude to categorize all our transactions and identify any recurring income or expenses, I'm going to hit Enter right here. Here you can see it successfully categorized all our transactions in our spreadsheet right here. and then identified any recurring incomes or expenses from the spreadsheet. So you can see our reports here. Is the executive summary and the income summary, expense summary, and identified recurring expenses. You can see the total recurring monthly commitment right here, and estimated annual revenue. It also identified unusual transactions right here and listed them over here. Here are the spending insights and trends. Here's the tax preparation checklist that is generated for us over here. And here are 8 key recommendations. Then we told it to export this report as a PDF document, which it did right here. Let us preview the PDF by opening this link. You can see our report that is generated for us right here. This is really impressive. Here's the executive summary. Here's the total income, total expense and net profits. Here is the income summary, the expense summary, carrying expenses that were identified right here, unusual transaction alerts. Here are some unusual transactions right here, spending insights right here, tax preparation checklist, and key recommendations right here. This is really impressive. So we categorized our transactions and identified recurring income and or expenses automatically using the skill that we created right here in Claude. This is really incredible. We can also, this is really incredible. So here you can just tell it to tweak the CSS to make sure that it works perfectly. It's really organized well. So now we can take it a step further and ask it now generate a monthly profit and loss summary based on the categorized transactions. Hit enter. Let's give it a second for it to generate a monthly profit and loss summary based on the categories based on our transactions. You can use only the 10 days that are available. As you can see over here, we have only 10 days, but we can have a list of the entire month. Let's give it a second for it to generate a weekly profit and loss breakdown. It could be weekly or monthly. So you can see it successfully generated our weekly profit and loss document. This is incredible. Here's a preview. And you can also preview it right here on the right. I'd like to open it in Google Drive. So let's do it. Weekly profit and loss breakdown by category. You can see our categories right here. For the first week and the second week. For the expenses right here. And the net profit or loss. And then here it's giving us some recommendation and commentary. This is incredible. So this could be weekly or monthly, depending on the transactions that you currently have in your spreadsheet. This is really incredible. Now here we can also tell it to break down the expenses by category and show the top spending areas. Hit enter here. Let's give it a second for it to do that. So here you can see it successfully generated our full expense breakdown report right here with the visual widget. This is incredible. Total income, total expense, net profit, net expense, transactions. The total spending area, full breakdown right here. The category breakdown. Here, this is really incredible. So, and then here you can see the top 3 spending areas that account for almost 90% of all of our expenses. See right here. In here, some of the things that are worth flagging. This is incredible. Now we told it to export the report as a PDF document, as you can see it did right here. To preview this PDF document in Google Drive, I'm going to click on this link right here. And here you can see our bookkeeping report that we generated using our skill in Claude right here. This is really impressive. The same as this report that is generated for us right here. This is really impressive. So now you can also tell it now flag any unusual or outlier transactions in the dataset. Hit enter here. Give it a second for it to identify our unusual transactions in the dataset. So here you can see it flagged unusual transactions in the dataset right here. You can see we have one with high priority, two with medium priorities, and one with low priority. Here's the one with the high priority. Here are the ones with medium priorities, and here's the one with low priorities right here. This is really incredible. It's also giving us a couple of nodes that we can go over, analyzing our transactions from the spreadsheet. This is really incredible. So now, like we did previously, you can also tell it to export these as a PDF document and then preview it like we previewed these previous ones right here. This is incredible. So you can continue using this skill in Claude to continue analyzing your transactions and telling it to output exactly what you want. For example, you can tell it, now identify all recurring subscriptions and fixed monthly costs in the dataset. Hit enter right here. So now let's give it a second for you to do that. So you can see it did that right here. So we told it to identify recurring subscriptions and fixed monthly costs in the dataset, and you can see it did that right here. So 6 recurring items were found. Here the monthly outflow. Here's the annual cost, and the total cost for the month. Here are the services right here. Here's the one that is here's the fees cost right here, and here are some software subscriptions that are constantly recurring. And here is the likely recurring ones right here, and here's the total recurring monthly expense. This is really incredible. It's also giving us a few notes right here that we can check out. This is really incredible. So you can continue using the skill to analyze your transactions you added to the spreadsheet right here. You can continue asking it to generate all the reports, to find your transactions, to calculate expenses, to calculate transactions, to do everything for you instead of having you to do everything manually. This is how you can automate the entire bookkeeping process and generate custom reports similar to these ones from an organized transaction list using the skill that we created right here in Claude. Thank you for watching. Now, if you'd like help automating manual tasks that you're currently doing in your business or your agency, just use the link in the description to schedule a call with me. On the call, we'll discuss into details on how I can help automate those manual tasks for you. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel and be on the lookout for the next video that will be dropping soon. But for now, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.